Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Jessica Ratna Anjali. You can call me Jessica. I will present about of beverage. Alcoholic beverage. Uh, the first is fermented alcohol. The drink is product from the fermentation of natural ingredients such as fruit and grains. In fermentation, there are three ingredients. Our first is beer. Beer is made from fermented grains, usually barley, and cider, the result of fermented apple juice, and the three perry. Perry, a type of cider but made from pear juice. Number two, wine. Uh, Wine is made from fermented grapes and is divided into several types, namely red wine, Cabernet Sauvignon, strong thin structure, Merlot, smooth hair and softer, and Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir like complex, very sensitive to climate, Shiraz, Shiraz and Shira, rich species full of flavor, Malbec, uh, thin and rich with dark fruit flavor, and Zinfandel red, concentrated fruit with high alcohol content, and and rose wine. Rose, rose wine is a type of wine with a pink color, made from made by fermenting red grapes with a shorter skin contact time than red wine. It usually has a fresh, light taste and can be either slightly sweet or dry, depending on the style. And the style, rose is often enjoyed in casual setting or warm weather, and white wine, Chardonnay, rich and butter or fresh, depending on fermentation technique. Sauvignon Black, fresh, acidic, citrus and herbal flavor. Riesling, sweet or dry fruit and flower aromas. Vinho Verde, young wine from Portugal, light and fresh. Zinfandel White, actually from red grapes, would made into a sweet wine with a pale pink color. Number three, hard alcohol. Liquid is made through a distillation process after fermentation. Whiskey, whiskey, made from fermentation and strong of grains. Its characteristic are complex, smoky, vanilla, or caramel flavor depending how how long is stored. And two, vodka, clear and natural alcohol, which house a strong tester. The basic ingredients are usually grains and potatoes, and vodka has a characteristic that is very natural, like almost tasteless. Engine, light vodka would flavored with species and botanicals, such as juniper, berries, lemon peel. Lemon peel is characteristic are aromatic and refreshing, widely used in cocktail. And tequila made from the agave plant typical of Mexico, and rum made from sugar cane or molasses, and soju, soju like spirit from Korea, small taster and lower alcohol context, and brandy. Brandy, the result of distillation from grapes or other fruit, usually fruity. Um, Non-alcoholic beverage. Number one, tea. The the first is tea. Black tea. Black tea, fully fermented tea, strong in taste and dark in color. And green tea, when fermented tea, like lighter and fresher in taste. White tea, the made from young leaves and has a softer taste. Oolong tea, semi-fermented tea, provide a unique combination of black and green tea flavor. Pour tea that goes through a long fermentation process, has a distinctive and depth taste. And number two, water, mineral water. Water that contains natural mineral from its source, and spring water. Spring water Spring water is water taken directly from spring, which is usually very clean. And glacier water that comes from melting glacier. And distilled water that is distilled so that it is very poor with house mineral. And purified water that goes through a filtering process to remove contaminant. And flavored water that is flavored such as wood fruit or herbs, provide a refreshing taste without adding calories. And alkaline water with higher pH, such as sweet fruit or um, well water taken from a well, the quality of which depend on the depth and location of the well. Tap water provided by a water distribution system, the quality of which depend on local treatment. Number 3, coffee. Coffee beans. Arabica has been bean with a sweet and sour taste, considered to be of weaker quality. Robusta is strong, bitter is tasted with a higher caffeine content, stable for strong coffee. Black coffee, single espresso 30 liter and double espresso 60 liter are served in small cup with double bean, strong, Americano, 2040 until 3050 liter and Lungo 1020 until 1050 liter are served in medium glass with Americano being liter while filter coffee 2040 until 3050 liter is served in larger glass with a small taster from the filtration method for milk coffee, cappuccino 1080 until 2040 liter is a combination of espresso, hot milk, and ticks from while Machito 30 until 60 liter is espresso with a little milk cortado 1020 liter balances espresso and hot milk flat white 1080 until 2040 liter has a creamy texture with a little foam and coffee latte 2040 until 30,050 liter. Present espresso with lots of hot milk and little foam, resulting in a smooth and creamy coffee texture. And milk, and for milk comes from a variety of livestock and type has one unique properties. Cow milk. Cow milk is the most common. Rich is protein and calcium. And buffalo milk is creamier and has more fat than cow milk. And yak milk is thicker and richer, highly nutritious for the Himalayan people. And goat milk is acertogigas, suitable for those who are sensitive to cow milk. And Shed milk is richer in fat and protein, often used to make cheese. And horse milk is smoothies fermented into hummus in Central Asia. And camel milk is lower in fat, richer in vitamin C, and popular in desert area. Donkey milk Donkey milk is very rich in vitamin C and is used in beauty product and Rider milk. Rider milk is very high in fat and is widely consumed in the Arctic. The Arctic. Number 5, juice. Juice provide many vitamin and mineral for the body, such as orange juice, rich in vitamin C, apple juice, refreshing and easy and thin, and grape juice, and grape, and carrot juice is vitamin which is good for eye health. And number 6, soft drink. Soft drink is have a sweet taste and refreshing carbonate sensation such as cola, distinctive taste that is already world famous, and lemon milk or Sprite, refreshing lemon milk flavor soda, and root beer, typical American herbal flavor soda, tonic water, carbonated water with a bitter taste that too unique. And and the last, fruit soda. And thank you.